going to stay on and help out the family. I'll just be the dad.
You are such a good friend. Leo's lucky to have you. Oh, no problem. You'll be all right. Bye.
It's been a real pleasure.
Keep me posted.
Okay.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, Lily.